Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Also, if you're new, don't forget to hit a like and also subscribe to this channel. I have tons of new content to put out for you guys and I'm excited to share it. Whether it's you want to make part-time, full-time, or just some extra cash, I definitely have some great info for you. And if you're not new and you're one of my subscribers already, thanks for coming back. I know it's been a while. I've had tons of life changes happening. I accepted a full-time nursing position. I ended up getting engaged. I'm also expecting a baby, so lots and lots happening in my life. But I do plan to keep putting out some new content for you guys, so don't forget to tune in and also hit that like button as well. Today's video is going to solely focus on Poshmark, because that is my number one. That's where I started, and that's where I make the most of my money. And I want to share with you guys a full month of not listing, not sharing, and what my sales kind of look like in that month. And then after using this service, who shares for me, and what 1 week of sales look like after that. So without further ado, let me go get the stats and share them with you guys. Okay, so before I get started with these stats, let me explain what Poshmark is if you're not familiar. Basically, Poshmark is an app that you download. You can also get on the computer and you can sell new or used items. I try to stay gently used or new, and you list those, you ship them yourself. Poshmark sends you a label, and then your funds are available within 3 days of the buyer accepting. So it's a great way to make some extra income. The only part about Poshmark that I find is challenging if you're really trying to grow your business is the fact that you have to share your items. Well, I shouldn't say you have to. In order to make more sales, you need to get your items in front of people. The way you get your items in front of people is by having hot items, great keywords, and also sharing. And when you're trying to scale a business and you're trying to make more money, let's face it, you're listing the items yourself, you're searching for the items yourself, you're inventorying, cleaning, shipping, replying to customers, and sharing. You have to hire out some of that in order to scale, because there's just not enough time in the day to do everything yourself. So what I found, this company found me actually, and I decided to partner with them after utilizing them for a few months. I love their service so much. They use real people. Basically, these people log on at certain times through their system virtually, and then they share your items for you, or they will do community shares for you, or follow people. So you can select what kind of program you want to use with them. But this has helped my sales tremendously. Now let me share 1 month before I started back really listing, sharing anything on Poshmark, and show you what my sales were like. So if you can kind of see, it was 1 page worth, and right here is the sales. So 2 sales for a total of $35. That's it. And I haven't had sales like that since the beginning of my Poshmark, which was many years ago. But again, I haven't been listing new items, I haven't been involved, I haven't been active, so I can't expect to make sales if I'm not on there being active. Now, within 1 week of using ResellerAssistant.com, 1 week, guys, this is how many sales. So minus this top blurb, all those down below was how many sales I had, for a total of $370. 7 days, guys, from a whole month being only $35. Crazy difference right there. I had 3 sales within the very first day that they started sharing my closet, and I am ecstatic to share these results with you, just because that's without listing new items. So that first week I hadn't listed any new items. It was all inventory that had just been sitting in my closet, but I hadn't been sharing. So obviously, if I haven't been sharing, it sat stale in my closet, and the only way people would find it is through the search bar. But if they're sharing it, this pushes it out to the masses for multiple people throughout the day to see it. So Again, guys, the company I use is resellerassistant.com, and I am an affiliate with them. If you do decide to go with them, don't forget to use my referral code Thrifty on a Dime. That's also my Poshmark closet, my Macari closet, my Facebook page, pretty much all of my social media, my Instagram. You can find me on Thrifty on a Dime, and basically just let them know where you came from. I'm so happy to put out more content, guys, so make sure that you stop back by frequently. I plan to put out something new hopefully every week for you. If you have any suggestions you would like me to share, make sure you drop that below. Now, the package that I used with resellerassistant.com was only $24.99 or something like that for 1 week. And again, going from $35 for the entire month to $370 in 1 week, I will pay $25, you know, $24.99, whatever. I will pay that much to make more, definitely. If you have any questions, drop them below. I missed you all, and thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe, guys. Have a wonderful day.